Hey there. Thanks for bringing your kids to join the fun and draw with Miss Val. That's me. Hey, kids. I'm glad we're drawing again together today. Let's learn how to draw a Triceratops. I promised you another dinosaur, so let's get started. First, let's start with the head. It's usually the best place to start. So we'll do the nose and the front of the face. And then we're going to draw kind of a big curved wavy line right through here. That's going to be kind of the pointy dish on top of the Triceratops's head. I'm going to make some triangles on here. There we go. Let's finish the face. Come up for the top of the mouth. Now we need a bottom lip to go right like this. There we go. Now we need to bring the dish kind of around. So it's around the head. Let's give it a nose and smile. What about an eye? We're going to need an eye on here. A circle with another circle inside. There's a big eye. Perfect. Next, we're going to need 3 horns for a Triceratops. Tri means 3, just like your tricycle has 3 wheels. A Triceratops has 3 horns. So we're going to do 3 triangles. One right here. Then there's 2 more up here on their head. So let's do 1. And we'll color these in a minute. So here's the horns. That's a good start. Now we need a body for our Triceratops. Let's give the Triceratops a back. And a tail. And we'll have to do 4 legs. We'll do kind of rounded rectangles. There's 1. There's 2. Those are the front legs. Now we need a belly. I think we might have to change that line just a little bit. Let's pull out our eraser. I have a frog eraser, but whatever eraser you have will work. That's what's cool about erasers. You can change any. Okay. Let's do another leg. It's a rounded rectangle. 1, 2. So we have 2 back legs and 2 front legs. What's 2 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. How many triangles do we have for horns? 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Triceratops. All right, let's bring the tail down like this so it meets that line. See why I erased it? My other line stopped there. It was a little too high. All right. I think I want to give this guy some polka dots. Go. That way we can decorate it. Maybe some toenails. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Now we've got toenails on our dinosaur. Super cool. All right. Let's outline our drawing so we can see all the lines really good. I love to outline my drawings. You can outline your drawings with anything you have, or you can skip it if you'd rather just start coloring it in. That's cool too. It's your art. You do what you like. That's what's cool about art. You're in charge. All right. Okay. We've got the back, the tail. We're going to do some legs next. Toenails. Another leg. Some front legs. Belly. I think I'm going to give it a little bit more of a leg. There we go. Toenails. All right, we've got the back of the body. Let's do the head. Then there's kind of a big umbrella around the Triceratops' head. Almost like a giant shield. Bet it protected them pretty good. Then there's little points. Bunch of little triangles on here. Let's outline them. And then we have our horns. An eye. And a nose. It's pretty good outlines. I think I'm going to outline the spots in a different color. I think I'm going to do them with orange. I'm going to color them in. Another circle. We have a few different sizes of circle stuff. Maybe we make the points on him match his spots. Those 4-inch. I think I want to do some red on the horns. It's cool. And then we're going to color in our dinosaur. I think I want to do maybe a light orange dinosaur. Might look pretty cool with the spots. Let's try that. We'll shade him in. Go around the spots. Down the legs. The belly. Close to the head. And there's our Triceratops. I'm proud of you. Keep drawing. If you want to see more videos like this, like and hit the subscribe button to stay updated. This helps me make more videos for you. So thanks, and see you next time.